Hey everyone, Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So checking out the outside of this boat, we did option it with a max horsepower of 200. That's a Mercury Verado V6 on the back. We have the full hull Sea Ray blue sides. We have the dune interior. Let's go ahead and hop in there and check it out. All right guys, so inside this Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard, I wanted to show you some of the features. Looking at this nice large sun pad back here, that does open up and has tons of storage underneath. Check out the sea deck inside. It's got the design in it. That design also carries over into the stitching. This windshield is curved, which is great. If you're pulling up to a dock, you don't have anything obstructing your view. You have a nice black acrylic display area with your Simrad touchscreen. We option this with the entertainment, comfort, and essentials bundle. What that includes is going to be snap cover. It's going to have fender clips for the boat, which is very convenient. It keeps your cleats free and clear so you can tie off to the boat. So a little more information about this boat, guys. It has a capacity for 12 people. The boat's almost 24 feet long at 23 feet 11 inches long, including the motor. It's got a 37-gallon fuel capacity. With that equates to about 100 to 135 mile range in this boat. This is an incredible boat for the Texas Bay area. You can do pretty much anything. You feel very comfortable because of the sides of the gunnels. They're very high. It makes you feel like you're sitting really far out of the water. Like I said, guys, this is an elevated design. It looks great. You will definitely be noticed on the water, and you'd be a part of the Sea Ray family. So come in sometime, take a look around. Again, guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, showing you the Sea Ray blue full hull 210 SPX outboard by Sea Ray Boats. Come by and see us. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 936-223-6770. Thank you. Have a great day.